Okay, so to close off an end of some drip tape, step one is to cut a little piece like that. And then we're going to take this here, which will be the rest of it, and we want to fold it once, and then fold it twice like that. And then you're going to pinch it into kind of a V. And you'll want to open up this other side here, if we can do that. And you'll slip that over. So it pops out. And now, once it pops out, what I like to do, just to make it easier to secure it into the ground, is open it up a little bit, and then we're going to take a staple, and then carefully, because you don't want to punch a hole in it, but carefully you want to work that staple through until it fits, and then kind of pinch it down, and then push this up like that, and that'll close it off, and this won't leak, which is nice.